I usually wake up around 6:30. I usually wake up around 6:30. I turn off my alarm as soon as it rings. I turn off my alarm as soon as it rings. I stretch my body to feel more awake. I stretch my body to feel more awake. I get out of my bed slowly. I get out of my bed slowly. I make my bed before I leave the room. I make my bed before I leave the room. I open the curtain to let in some sunlight. I open the curtains to let in. I drink a glass of water after waking up. I drink a glass of water after waking up. I try to start my morning without rushing. I, I go to the bathroom to freshen up. I wash my face with cold water. I wash my face with cold water. I brush my teeth for about 2 minutes. I brush my teeth for about 2 minutes. I rinse my mouth after brushing my teeth. I rinse my mouth after brushing my teeth. I look in the mirror and fix my hair. I look in the mirror and fix my hair. I take a quick shower in the morning. I take a quick shower in the morning. I dry my hair before I get dressed. I dry my hair before I get dressed. I use deodorant after taking a shower. I use deodorant after taking a shower. I wash my hands before leaving the bathroom. I wash my hands before leaving the bathroom. I get ready step by step. I get ready by step by step. I put on my shoes near the door. I put on my shoes near the door. I put my watch before I leave. I put on my watch before I leave. I put on my glasses so I can see clearly. I put on my glasses so I can see clearly. I check myself in the mirror one last time. I check myself in the mirror one last time. I try to look neat and ready for. I check my message quickly. I check my message quickly. I look at my schedule for the day. I look at my schedule for the day. I write down a few things I need to do. I write down a few things I need to do. I make a short to-do list. I make a short to-do list. I plan my mid-morning before I get too busy. I plan my morning before I get too busy. I check my bag to make sure I have everything. I check my bag to make sure I have everything. I check my wallet, keys and phone. I check my wallet, keys and phones. I make sure my phone has enough battery. I make sure my phone has enough battery. I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. I boil some water for tea or coffee. I boil some water for tea or coffee. I toast some bread in the toaster. I toast some bread in the toaster. I fry an egg in a pan. I fry an egg in a pan. I make a simple breakfast on busy morning. I make a simple breakfast on busy morning. I eat breakfast at the table. I eat breakfast at the table. I try not to skip breakfast. I try not to skip breakfast. I drink coffee slowly before starting my day. I drink coffee slowly before starting my day. I fed my pet before I leave. I water. I water the plants. I wipe. I wipe the table after breakfast. I wash. I wash the dishes after eating. I put. I put the clean dishes away. I pack. I pack my lunch in a lunchbox. I say goodbye to my family. I take a deep breath and get ready to leave. I take a deep breath and I try to stay calm even when I am in a hurry. I remind myself to have a good day. I lock the door before I leave. I walk to the bus stop in the morning. I walk to the bus stop in the morning. I wait for the bus while checking my phone. I wait for the bus while checking my phone. I take the bus to work at school. I start my day with a positive attitude.